Hello everyone. In this video, we will see the Python program to calculate the area of a triangle, to find solution of a quadratic equation, and Python program to swap two variables. We will see the first program as calculate the area of a triangle. For this, we will take user input for three numbers as three sides of a triangle. Enter first side, B, enter second side, C. We already know that how to take input. If you didn't know, then you can see our first video. So we have taken input for three sides of a triangle. Now we have to calculate the area of a triangle from Heron's formula. For this we need to calculate S, which is equals to A plus B plus C whole divided by 2. Now area equals to S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C whole to the power 0.5. We already know the meaning of double asterisk 0.5, which is to calculating the square root, and asterisk is used for multiplication. Now we will print the area. Let us have first side as 3, another side as 4 and 5. So we get the area as 6. You can calculate it by yourself as well. We can find areas of other shapes like circle, square, rectangle by using their formulas and taking the input as the same. Now, next problem is to find the solution of a quadratic equation, for which we need the value of A, B and C. As we know, the general quadratic equation is in the form ax square bx plus c equals to 0. So we need A, B and C. Now we can copy it from here and we can modify it as enter value of A, enter value of B, enter value of C. Now for solution of a quadratic equation, we need D. D equals to B square. We know we have to use double asterisk for the power B square minus 4 A into C. Now x, which is the solution of quadratic equation. We know we have two solutions of quadratic equation. So let x1 equals to minus b plus d whole divided by 2a. Similarly, x2 equals to minus b minus d whole divided by 2a. Now let us print our answer as solution of given quadratic equation are comma x1 comma and comma x2. Let us print. Let us run the program. Let we have value of a as 1, value of b as 2 and value of c as again 1. Now solution of the given quadratic equations are minus 1 and minus 1. You can check it by yourself also. Let us come to the third program, which is swapping of two variables. We can swap two variables by two methods, with using temporary variable and without using temporary variable. Now with using temporary variable, say temp. Let temp be our temporary variable. Now we have taken input by user. Now temp equals to a equals to b and b equals to temp, and print a equals to value of a and again print b equals to value of b. Now let us check it. Let the value of a be 10 and value of b be 20. Now we can see that a equals to 20 and b equals to 10. So our variable has been swapped. Now let us see another method, which is without using temporary variable. Without using temporary variable. Again we can copy it by here and paste it here. So we have taken user's input. Now a comma b equals to b comma a. We will check it later, but this syntax is used to swap or assign two variables at a same time. Now same syntax to print the result. Let us say A equals to 4 and B equals to 5. Now we can see that A equals to 5 and B equals to 4. So in this video, we have learned that how to calculate the area of triangle using Python, how to find solution of a quadratic equation using Python, and swap two variables using Python, and we have also learned two methods of swapping two variables. Thank you.